So Jamaica has what's called a multi-layered disaster risk financing framework. So that is intended to address different levels of severity of natural disasters and any kind of disaster. So the premise behind it is that you have 5 different layers. At the top is the World Bank catastrophe bond, which I'm sure most persons are the most familiar with. And then after that, the second layer is from the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility. We have 2 insurance policies with them: an excess rainfall policy, which is for water damage, and a tropical cyclone policy, which is for wind damage. Below that, you have what's called a contingent credit claim from the Inter-American Development Bank, as well as from the World Bank. So that, as the name suggests, is contingent on a disaster happening, and then the resources are released. And below that, you have what is now called your disaster fund. So your national natural disaster reserve fund. That is now the fund for all the proceeds of our insurance. They flow into that fund. And below that, you have your contingencies fund and your regular budgetary allocation. So you have regular budgetary allocations or reallocations at the bottom.